Righty-ho, I think we're almost ready to lift her out now, so everything's disconnected along the gearbox. You can see that it's starting to separate nicely now. I think I'm just going to pull the intercooler off just to get it out of the way, then we're not damaging it. Yeah, then we'll start lifting it out, but it ain't too bad of a job really. You've got a little jack underneath the gearbox now, just to take a bit of weight off it. EJ25 on a stand, ready to go, so we can start stripping it now. So, up to now, doing alright. I've never done one before, so yeah, happy with that, guys. So, disconnecting the fuel lines. Fuel pressure egg is connected to this bracket, it needs to come off anyway, so try and keep as much as I can built up. This power steering pump off out at road. Well, there we go. Fuel.
They slipped around.
So people took the piss out of these on TikTok Shop, but I'll tell you what, they're absolutely brilliant. Just saved the fingernails. Then we can cover the top of that. Also some 7. Oh, that was a nice one, wasn't it? Oh, I just love that sound. Beautiful.